Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to walk you through a new Drive tutorial. So this video I'm going to show you how you can connect third-party apps to your Google Drive. Very much simple and easy. So let's say you work with your email or your Gmail, and then let's say you teach people online and you want to record your screen. After that you import it to your Drive and then share it to your students, whether new or people that joined. Or let's say you do your work, normal work, that's typing, sending emails and the rest, and you want to be uploading all these files to your Drive automatically. I'm going to show you how you can connect apps to do that. Very simple and easy. So you can see this is my Drive interface here. What I need to do is I need to tap on the new here like I'm uploading, and I move to more here, and then I move to connect more apps, something like this. So here you can see this is AI apps you can install. This is work from everywhere, text editors. So if you have some text and the rest. So there are a lot here. There are a lot of them here. And for classroom, I think I have screencast on here, but then I'm going to show you guys how to install one. So you just tap on it like this. You tap on the install and you're good to go. You just install it and you're good to go. So that's it. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.